Yep.
That Savvy Club DVD where she matched that extrovert, I was thinking, that's what he needs. He needs.
Yep. Aha! Good boy, Decker.
And you have too much time to think, so we're going back. That really is, I think that's what was part of the problem last time too, was I was nervous and going slower. And,
Yep. All right. He had a bunch of them in there.
that's what I'm saying, he tried to let one go after he jumped, but somebody let go.
I wish this camera did a better job in this dark arena.
I don't think anybody's camera is.
Yeah, there's nothing fantastic, but you know what? We like the shade, so we'll deal with it. There you go. Good job. He knows it's there. There you go. Refocus, redirect. Good. Beautiful. There you go. Mm-hmm. Pretty good, Decker. Yep. So really isolate your direct rain from your indirect rain. Get one, then the other, and then one, then the other. Yep. Good. Yep. Perfect. Very nice. Now use the rain when you need to use it, and then try and give him a lot of slack in between. Good. Yes, beautiful.